This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how fast this Polestar 4 is charging. It can hit over 200 kilowatt and it has a 100 kilowatt hour battery. So I want to see how fast is it compared to Volkswagen ID.7, which is also a sedan. And what about Tesla Model S? Tesla has usually a fast curve in the beginning and then it just drops, right? And then the last car is the old Polestar 2. Well, I mean, not the new Polestar 2, but the 82 kilowatt hour. So guys, let's roll the tape. You see that the Polestar starts with 204 kilowatt. Polestar 2 is also, Polestar 2 is 207 kilowatt. Wow, impressive stuff. Model S hit 250 kilowatt, and then ID.7, okay, 190 kilowatt. These are freaking fast charging cars, man. There's no doubt about it. But actually, the ID.7 has somewhat small battery, just like the Polestar 2. And then we have the 100 kilowatt hour packs. And then eventually the Polestar 4 will throttle at around 25%, but I mean it's still going really fast, 197 kilo, faster than the Polestar 2, you see? And then also faster than ID.7 even. The Model S, oh wow, I have to say Model S can maintain insane good speed even at 35%. Wow, which car is leading right now? Actually it's ID.7, but ID.7, you know, state of charge on display, that it's actually not the state of charge display. It's kind of weird. It's like state of charge or BMS, so it's not true state of charge, but at least at 90% it will be the true state of charge. Okay, back to the whole thing here now. Now the Polestar 4 start throttling at 40%. It goes kind of slow, but I've seen this during 1,000 kilometer challenge that at 40% it will charge a lot faster, around 150 kilowatt. But it seems like if you start off with 200 kilowatt initially, then you get this kind of dip here. I don't know, maybe this is due to thermal or other limitation of the battery. Whereas when I started charging the Polestar 4 during the challenge, when it was colder or something, charging slower, then it would have flatter curve. We're going to look at the charging curve later. But I mean, it's still fast. At 50%, Polestar 4 is still taking 132 kilowatt. It seems to be slightly faster than Polestar 2. Model S, well, it's also similar, I guess, in the speed. I feel like maybe Model S is charging a little bit slower than Polestar 4. ID.7, though, it's quite far ahead. Seems like ID.7 is leading. So, okay, ID.7 already hit around 65%. I'm not sure exactly what the state of charge is, but roughly there. And then taking 95 kilowatt. But you can see the cars to the right, they are taking around 100 kilowatt only, whereas the cars to the left, they are still taking, well, actually, I mean, the Polestar 4. Polestar 4 seems to have fairly flat curve. This is also what I experienced during 1,000 kilometer challenge. I could probably charge to around 60-65%. They will still be fairly fast compared to the cars to the right, you see. But okay, it's not directly comparable because ID.7 also is at the highest state of charge right now. It's leading. Oh, it's going to hit 90% first. Well, we have to see. Anything can happen at this point. But you can see that Polestar 4 seems to be charging faster than Polestar 2 at least. So if you're looking for upgrade and you want more space and faster charging and even bigger battery, yeah, then maybe Polestar 4 is a good choice for you. And then I just throw in the two cars on the right like as a comparison or maybe a reference of how fast the Polestar 4 is charging. So even though it seems to be charging kind of fast, it seems like Model S is still leading. Leading. I mean, not leading, leading in front of the Polestar 4. ID.7 is first place, and then Model S is second place, and then Polestar 4. No, wait, my bad. Polestar 4 is in the fourth place. Yeah, Polestar 2 is on the third. Right? Really? What the heck happened there? Maybe because there's, I don't know, big battery, you know. Polestar 2 is a smaller battery, so when it's charging at 200 kilowatt there, the C rate is higher, of course. But ID.7 is about to hit 90%. Wow. The Germans, they show you how it's supposed to be done. There, oh yeah, my favorite car, ID.7, yeah, car of the year. I'm just kidding. Maybe possibility to be car of the year, Teslabjorn car of the year. Hit 90% first. Woo! Oh, ich liebe Deutschland. Okay, but at least the second car is gonna be Model S. Seems like, yeah. Okay, wait. Is it gonna be Model S? Yeah, it seems like it's charging fairly fast, faster than the other. It seems like the Polestars, they are kind of collapsed now, past 80%. So Model S is gonna take the second place. But then, wait a minute, is this a total humiliation? Because by the time the Polestars hit 90%, will the ID.7 actually hit 100%? Wow! It's so schnell! Look how fast it's charging. I mean, ID.7 is almost, it's at 97% and it's taking the same power as Polestar 2 at 89%. Wow, okay. But, okay, they're going to finish at 90%. But this is quite awesome. And when we look at the charging curve, the yellow line here, that's Tesla, okay. And then we have Polestar 4. Yeah, the reason why I include Tesla is because these are 100 kilowatt-hour batteries, right? But the Tesla is more expensive, so it's more premium. But okay, so it has a flat curve, but look what the heck happened here. This typically is a thermal limitation, and like I mentioned, during 1,000 kilometer challenge, it didn't have this dip. It was like a different, but then it started lower, you know. It was like, it was lower, and then it just, yeah, it was weird the way the charging curve was. It was not consistent, at least, because when it comes to the ID7, when I did 1,000 kilometer challenge, it was super consistent. Every time you plug in, it will have the exact, okay, almost the exact curve every time, except for maybe this little dip here, which also seems to be a thermal dip. The only consistent curve here seems to be Tesla. Oh, and also the Polestar 2. Yeah, Polestar 2 has a little zigzag. Okay, I'm not sure what's up with that, but at least what you want to see if you currently own the Polestar 2 and you can see the Polestar 4 is that the Polestar 4 charges faster and flatter versus Polestar 2. So yeah, that's all you need to know, right? So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.